Hey guys, Fort Worth Glock Guy here, and I thought I would do a quick little video on things that I do to help maintain my knives. I just got done eating an apple, cutting it up, and I was using this trapper with CV steel. So typically what I do to maintain my knives, again, I don't care if they get some patina on them. At the end of the day, I just want them clean, so I wipe them down. So what I do to help maintain knives is, this is my knife rag. As you can see, it's got all kinds of cuts and everything else in it because I use it all the time. This just sits on my nightstand next to my little knife container where I keep my daily users, and at the end of the day I will just wipe it down. And what I have in this is mineral oil. Okay, what I do with a lot of my knives, and I don't do this really often. I mean, I've had this bottle of mineral oil for a couple years, 2 or 3 years. But when I get a new knife, or I get some time and I just want to go through my knife collection and make sure that all the ones that are stored are in good condition, I will just take a little bit of the mineral oil and just wipe it down. What's great about the mineral oil is, number one, it's a lubricant. So it's good for, if it's okay if it gets down in the pivot, that's not a big deal at all. It keeps everything oiled, and it's also food safe, which is what's really nice about using mineral oil. I want to say a bottle like this, 16-ounce fluid bottle, $2 or $3 maybe. And like I said, I've had this for 2 or 3 years at least. So as you can see, I just coated the blade in mineral oil, and I will just use this rag, handkerchief, whatever you want to call it, to wipe it off. And now it is protected from any kind of water damage that might happen. Okay, so I will just wipe it down, and we are good to go. And all the excess oil that I use is this is kind of a little bit, I don't want to say wet, but I mean, there's mineral oil in here. So like I said, I don't have to use this a lot. You know, sometimes like I use this knife right here. You know, there's a little bit of mineral oil in here just from use, and it doesn't really evaporate because it's not water, it's oil. And I will just wipe my blades down at the end of the day. It doesn't matter if they're stainless or carbon. I'll wipe them down, make sure they look good, and then put them to bed. So just a simple little tip, non-expensive, food safe, all the good things that we want for our knives. I even use this mineral oil to hydrate my leather. I mean, I use it kind of for everything. Nice little cleaning material, hydrate the leather, keep your knife nice and clean, all the good things. So 101 uses, maybe not that many, for mineral oil, and what I do to just maintain my knives. So quick little video for you. Hope you enjoyed. Fort Worth Glock Guy out.